In this video, we will unbox and set up the HP Smart Tank 580 wireless all-in-one printer. We will go through the different components of the printer, how to install the ink tanks, and connect it wirelessly to your computer or mobile device. Carefully open the printer box and remove all the contents. Take out the HP Smart Tank 580 printer. Remove all the protective tapes, stickers. And foam from the printer body, scanner lid, and control panel. Open the ink tank cover located on the right side of the printer and remove all the protective materials. Including the orange caps from the ink bottles. Close the ink tank cover. Connect the power cord to the back of the printer and plug it into a wall outlet. Press the power button located on the control panel to turn on the printer. Open the ink tank cover located on the left side of the printer. Take out each ink bottle from its packaging. Remove the cap from each ink bottle and insert it into its corresponding color-coded tank: cyan, magenta, yellow, black. Press down firmly until you hear a click sound indicating that it is securely installed. Close the top cover of the printer and wait 1 minute. Install the printhead. The printhead is located in the center of the printer. Open the input tray located at the back of the printer. Adjust the paper width guides to match your paper size. Load plain white paper into the tray with print side facing down until it stops. Follow the on-screen instructions.